Imagine yourself sitting up late at night grading those writing pieces you have put off doing for some time now. Do you feel like this poor teacher who is losing her mind from all the hard-to-read writing pieces? Do you want to get your students excited about writing stories? Do you think they would enjoy using technology to produce their writing pieces? Give your students an opportunity to participate in an assignment that involves technology, and excitement will increase. Have you ever noticed that when students take ownership in their work, they produce something they are proud of? One type of technology you can use for writing is blogging. Through blogging, you're able to differentiate instruction for all of your students. Blogging can also be integrated into all content areas, which leads to the question, why not blog? Blogging can improve students' writing skills and build their confidence as writers. Blogging allows students to write in a low-stakes environment and gives them a sense of claiming their own voice. One type of writing using technology is digital storytelling. You may be asking, what is digital storytelling? Digital storytelling involves the telling of our personal stories using digital technology to integrate text, sound, graphics, and sometimes film. There are 7 elements of digital storytelling. They are audience, purpose, content, voice, technology, connections, and economy. Digital stories involve some or all of these components. An engaging and well-written story, slides or clips, backgrounds, graphics or images, text, sounds, narration, and/or music. According to the Common Core state standards and the American Association of School Librarians, technology has to be included in the education of your students. When you have access to meaningful web applications and you are following the standards, your students will reap the benefits. This website provides the connection between the Common Core standards and the American Association of School Librarian standards. This is a resource to have on hand to make sure you are meeting the standards for the 21st century learner. With technology like KidBlog and Evernote, students are able to produce and publish writing. It also allows for interaction and collaboration with others. With technology, students are able to organize and display their understanding of the content. If organization is not your student's strongest characteristic, the Evernote app is what you need. Evernote helps students stay focused by quickly adding notes, creating to-do lists, and reminders. Evernote is a great starting point for blogging. With Evernote, all of your notes, web clips, files, and images are made available on every device and computer you use. Evernote is recommended for students in 5th grade and higher. KidBlog provides teachers with the tools to help students safely navigate the digital world. KidBlog allows students to exercise digital citizenship within a private classroom blogging space. KidBlog is designed for K-12 students. In KidBlog, students publish posts and participate in academic discussions within a secure classroom blogging community. Students can write for an authentic audience in a safe environment. A class blog can provide a workspace for students to share thoughts, drafts, or projects in a low-stakes environment, as well as provide an avenue for quieter students to speak and contribute ideas. How many of you have those students that won't participate in class discussions? KidBlog will help those students find their voice in a comfortable setting. Now back to the question from the beginning. Are you miserable grading those hard-to-read writing pieces? Are you looking for a tool that will make your students' writing enjoyable to read because they took ownership in it and created a writing piece that is easy to read and enjoyable at the same time? Well, KidBlog and Evernote are just what you need. According to the American Association of School Librarians, KidBlog and Evernote were 2 of the best apps for teaching and learning in 2013. Here's an example of a page in KidBlog. The teacher post is at the top and the student comments are down below. As the teacher, you are able to edit, delete, or approve each comment. You may be asking, how do I assess a student's writing on KidBlog? Here's an example of a rubric. The rubric lets students know what is expected of them and clearly states the expectations for the project. Rubrics also help students see that learning is about gaining specific skills, and they give students the opportunity to do self-assessment. Now that you are excited and can't wait to create your own blog for your classroom, let's take a look at the user guide and get started.